Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best GATE coaching in your city Jaipur? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 10 institutes for best GATE preparations in your city Jaipur. Before moving to the video, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. So without further delay, let us move to the topic. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the most finest and one of the most leading coaching center in the education sector. It provides best online coaching, which is definitely a need of the hour in this pandemic situation. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. So you should definitely connect to the institute once, as it is our rank 1 institute and provides best coaching. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone is a great and best platform for preparation of NEET. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. When you will connect to the institute, they will provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. A counseling session will be provided to the students, and that too completely free of cost. Hence, students can ask their queries with expert mentors regarding which institute will be best fit for them according to their course. Therefore, it is a great platform and opportunity for the students who are more likely to be confused. Hence, you should definitely avail this opportunity and must once call the Hindu Zone Institute. It will definitely be helpful. At rank 3, we have GATE Forum Coaching. GATE Forum Coaching provides great coaching, which can be seen that 145 students of theirs are placed in top 100 students. Online test series are their key feature. The address of GATE Forum Coaching includes 3rd floor Keshav Tar, Gopalpura, Pulia Tonk Road, Jaipur. Moving towards our rank 4 institute, we have the GATE Academy. This GATE coaching center is acclaimed of their positive approach towards their students and organize different teaching sessions for the weak and average students so that their problem could be solved individually. The address of the GATE Academy includes Corporate Office 22 opposite Milestone Mill near Palki Restaurant opposite Lal Koti, Jaipur. Now let us move towards rank 5 institute. At rank 5, we have Engineer's Choice Coaching. The intake of students for GATE coaching is maximum 45 students, in which every particular topics are discussed in the classroom. The fees is also less than the GATE coaching centers, which is 40,000 rupees. The address of Engineer's Choice includes Katwaria Sarai behind bus stop, Jaipur. At rank 6, we have Engineering Career Tutorial. The students in this GATE coaching center, under the able guidance of the great faculty, are able to score the high score, and they have bagged 6th and 4th position in All India rank also. The address of Engineering Career Tutorial includes C1 Bajaj Nagar Enclave, Nera Gandhi Nagar Railway Station, Jaipur. So friends, down to our rank 7 institute, we have Engineers Institute of India. This GATE coaching center is one of the renowned institute and provides the latest syllabus regarding the GATE examination. The address of Engineers Institute of India includes Sunny Paradise, Tonk Road, Jaipur. At rank 8, we have MG Career Park Institute. They conduct online test series for their students, which helps them to decide their weak pins, and according to them, the further evaluation is done. The address of MG Career Point includes B121 Mangal Marg, Bapu Nagar, Jaipur. Okay, at rank 9, we have Made Easy Institute. Made Easy is mostly known for the number of classes they take in the week. Their key feature is that they conduct general studies classes in the weekends also. So along with main subjects, general studies is also taught in the institute, which increases and enhances the ability of the student. The address of Made Easy Coaching is AB 559 Kings Road, Nirman Nagar, Jaipur. Last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 10 institute, is Aryabhatta Academy. This GATE coaching center is widely known for the quality education and work under the able guidance of alumni of IITs and IISCs. The address of Aryabhatta Academy includes B61 Anita Colony, gate number 3, Bajaj Nagar, Jaipur. So, these were our top 10 institutes which provide best GATE coaching in your city, Jaipur. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions and now will select the best one for yourselves. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.